The Ghana transfer window still na now team bakwa. Many players have been linked to the club at Krobia Sante Kotoko. And every reporter have been to say player friend Elvis KYEI Baffour, formerly of Liberty Professional, washasiye any Kotoko training. Part of players are Kotoko be monitor more as part of we can say virtual and as in a way some trials he's part of them. Kotoko, the technical team is going to monitor him. That's the information I told you amount for a report where agent social media no so play on the screen so no or a striker forward formerly no born a ball Emma Liberty Professionals between 2018 to 2020 and Obama Liberty Professionals na before say obe free Liverpool akwa abuchire no or expressing interest in playing for Kotoko. Yes, mama yenka ni yenhye no so the report yensa can say on say ex-Liberty Professional forward Elvis KYEI Baffour has started training with Asante Kotoko today, which is Tuesday. He will be monitored by the technical team in the coming days. So the technical team will be monitor no. He is currently a free agent as we speak now. And the news is that washasiye ene Kotoko training in the bid se Kotoko ebe monitor na se fa na wasign. Weye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters page baako ewo Facebook as far back in 2020 and a player ne can say we no carry. I will choose to stay at Liberty Professional than to join Accra folk. Me choose to say me stay at Liberty Professional say me call folk. I will choose Kotoko over Haas. Me choose Kotoko over Haas. I just don't like them and that is my choice. Elvis KYEI Baffour Liberty Professional striker. And na one Kumasi FM twetwe sa nkomo we in 2020. That is 4 years ago. And na ne nkomodie mu no osaka asem we. I'm a Kotoko fan as well as my father. I would like to play for Asante Kotoko, but they should exercise a bit of patience in approaching me for my service, which is Elvis KYEI Baffour Liberty Professional striker. Oni Kumasi FM nkomomudi no in 2020. We abra 2020 na obe free Liberty na abuchi offer kakra tata na eno na ne wakoba wi a amana be free agent nti say as we speak now or a free agent or a striker forward a very bulky striker or no bully defenders pa eno ne reporter abitum I was here blog about Elvis KYEI Baffour tie di no na hye ne nso details latest be about the bro.